Hey guys, so today we'll talk about top 5 facts on Tom and Jerry. This is like a jillion take. I'm a little bit exhausted, but hopefully I make through this take correctly without making any mistakes. So yeah, coming back to the point, Tom and Jerry, top 5 facts about Tom and Jerry. Did you actually know that Tom and Jerry was a cocktail drink's name? Yeah, I never knew. So we'll talk about it in this video. First point is Tom and Jerry was originally called as Jasper and Jinx. Yeah, if you listen to the episode, which is Puss Gets the Boot, and hopefully I'm pronouncing it correct. So that episode was the first episode of Tom and Jerry. Yeah, when we hear Tom and Jerry, we get some friendly feelings, we get happiness in our heart. So many people, billions, literally billions of people around this world love Tom and Jerry. Now Jasper and Jinx, this was the original name. So one episode they made out of Jasper and Jinx, and people were stagnant about it. Some people liked it, but they concluded it not to make so many episodes of it, like even second episode, because this was a normal chase between a cat and a mouse. But things changed after 1 year. They came back to Jasper and Jinx, but this time they wanted a new name. So this is the second point. This time they wanted a new name. So they decided to host a contest among the animators who are working in there in MGM Studios. So that is what happened. So they hosted a contest, and the person who comes up with the best name takes home $50 with it. $50 is a not lot of money, but it is like $800 worth right now. I know that is not a lot, but still it is a fair, decent amount of money. One guy called John Carr, he came up with this name, and he took $50 to his home. So this is the story behind Jasper and Jinx to Tom and Jerry. Jasper and Jinx was renamed to Tom and Jerry, and they created a second episode. Also, coming to the third point, Tom and Jerry was originally a name of a cocktail drink. Yeah, like I told in the beginning of this video, Tom and Jerry is a name of a cocktail drink from 1820s. But there is no connection between those. I'm just saying this. Tom and Jerry was the name of a cocktail drink. So this was really famous in the 1820s. Like people were drinking this so much, and the recipe for this is eggnog with brandy and some rum. So this is the recipe for Tom and Jerry cocktail. If you want to try it out, I don't really know how these three taste, but still, I don't even know how eggnog tastes. If you have experience drinking it or something, just leave it in the comment section. Also, coming back to the point, I went on a little bit of tangent there, but still coming back to the point. This is the original cocktail's name, Tom and Jerry. Now, coming to the fourth point, Tom and Jerry has won so many Oscars. Like, it has won 7 Oscars. It was nominated for 13. I never really knew that Tom and Jerry won Oscars and stuff. I was just watching episode and I was just happy. But these things are really surprising facts for me, because it is just in short, like 6 to 8 minutes, even though it made so many of us happy and really feel us inside. But still, it was really a start, but I didn't really know. The first episode, which won an Oscar, was the Yankee Doodle Mouse. It is a colorful episode with so many different animation and chasing and stuff. If you want to watch it in WB Studios in YouTube channel, they have some scenes, I guess. So just search through their channel, you'll find somewhere. That is the story of Tom and Jerry winning Oscars. Sometimes I know we feel like it would be nice if we are there when this Tom and Jerry got Oscar and stuff. So how is that possible? Time travel. Yeah, this is a branding marketing for my another video. So I have talked about time travel. I will leave a link somewhere here. So go check it out. Now coming back to our point, I again went on a tangent. I'm sorry, I couldn't control myself. But this is a zillion take, so I should make it to the end of the video. Now coming to the fifth point, this is the last point. So before the live action versions of today's, like the recent Tom and Jerry movie, it is okay, fine. But still, Tom and Jerry made an appearance in the Gene Kelly movie. So this also has a song. If you want, check it out. I'll leave a link below. So this song has Tom and Jerry. Not the song. This song has Jerry actually. Jerry is a royalty in this song. So if you want, it is a really good song. I thought it would not be so great when I heard this fact, but still when I checked it out on YouTube, I was really surprised by the quality of it. Please check it out. So that thing, in that Jerry is a royalty and Tom is a servant. that is basically the concept. Gene Kelly did so many of these dances with so many characters, but what he did with Jerry is really the greatest of all time. So here, how they essentially animated this is, first they took the film of this actor dancing. It is good. So they make a rotoscope of it, like sketch him in a paper and put Jerry there. So they'll draw Jerry there and they'll animate it. There are tens and thousands of frames. They should draw each and everything hand drawn. Everything is hand drawn. So that is really a tedious process. I think it took more than a year or something. So, but still it is really great. That is the fact that surprises me so much. So if you want, check it out. They did so many techniques like double exposure and stuff. Even the shadows are really great. The shadows are there, which they use some ghost effect and something. So watch it, check it out, analyze it. There is also a explanation video of how they made it. I'll also leave the link for it down below. So check it out. Now this is it. We are concluding top 5 facts about Tom and Jerry. Like, comment which all you knew already. Which all, if you get 5 out of 5, that is really great, which means you are a true fan of Tom and Jerry. Salute, respect. Yeah, so that is it. COVID cases are rising really hard and really fast. So stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.